Hi YouTube, today we're gonna do a rotor quick fix of the Eachine E58. So we have a broken interfolding blades right here. Folding blades over here is B2 and the other one is labeled as, what we want to replace here is A2. Yeah, right over here. Now without further ado, let's get it on. So here we're undoing the screws or the mounting screws right directly to the motor. So when you remove the screws, make sure you secure the screws because it's so tiny and it's easy to lose. Okay, so this is the foldable blade wherein we need to remove one blade at a time. So we need to undo 2 screws to remove the blades, and make sure you use a magnetic screwdriver for this to secure the itsy bitsy teeny weeny screws. And then once unmounted, now we can replace the blade with a spare one. And be careful with the orientation, whether is it facing down or facing up. Use the other rotors or the good rotors as reference for it. So in this case, will be selecting the correct blade and putting it right on carefully. All the confident blade.